Hi guys, today we're going to look at how to find the length of a side of a right angle triangle using trigonometry. So we've used our 5-step process for Pythagoras. So step 1 being to draw and label a diagram. Alright, so this triangle, I know I'm going to use trigonometry, so I'm thinking about my SOHCAHTOA. Alright, this angle, I've got the opposite side and the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So I've labelled my diagram. Alright, step 2 is to choose the right formula. So how do I know which formula to choose? I'm looking at the information that I have and the information that I don't have. So I've got the angle, the adjacent side, and I'm looking for the opposite side. So I need to choose a ratio that involves the opposite and adjacent side. So that's 10. All right. Okay. Step 3, what's to substitute? So I'm substituting the information that I know into my equation. So therefore, tan of 20 degrees is the angle, equals the opposite side, x, over 40 is the adjacent side. All right, step 4, we're using our algebraic tricks to solve for x. So looking at this, I've got x divided by 40. I know I need to multiply both sides by 40 to get rid of that fraction. So therefore, 40 tan 20 equals 40 x over 40. And I'm cancelling those 40s out. So I've got x equals 40 tan 20 degrees, which using a calculator you would find is approximately equal to 14.56. Step 5, units, meters. You can do this. Let's do another one. Okay, we have a new question. So I'm looking at my process. I need to label this diagram. So with respect to this angle, I've got hypotenuse, opposite side, adjacent side. All right, now I'm looking at the information that I have and the information that I don't have. I have the adjacent side and the angle. I haven't got the hypotenuse. So I'm looking for which ratio involves the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. And that's cosine. So cosine of theta equals the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. All right. Step 3. Substitute. So I know the angle, therefore cosine of 60 degrees equals the adjacent side is 15 divided by y. Alright, step 4. I need to use my algebraic tricks to solve this for y. Now, before we had x on the top of the equation, that was easy, we just multiplied by what was on the bottom. Now we've got y on the bottom. It's a little bit trickier, but I'm following the same process. I want to get rid of the fraction, so I'm multiplying by my denominator. Alright, I've multiplied both sides by y, so the y's cancel on this side. But now I've got an issue over here because I've still got something with my y and I want it by itself, so I need to divide by that something. Okay, cos 60 divided by cos 60 cancels, so I'm left on the left hand side with just y equals And when I put this into my calculator, I get 30. Now, I need to do step 5, units. So my units in my question are centimetres, so the units in my answer are also centimetres.